Hi friends! Welcome to a new video. Did you know you can make the most delicious and healthiest activated peanut butter right at home? Today, I'm teaching you how to prepare it from scratch, perfect for energizing your day in a delicious and healthy way. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Let's get started. Here, I have raw peanuts, about 4 cups, or adjust to the amount you want to make. To start from scratch, you'll need to buy raw peanuts. This is how they look with their red skins. First, wash them thoroughly, rinse, and soak them in water for 8 to 12 hours. This process is also called activating. You can soak them overnight and have them ready the next morning. Just rinse them, and this is how they'll look. This step enhances nutrient absorption and increases the bioavailability of minerals like iron and zinc. It also makes the peanuts easier to digest. Peanuts, like many legumes and nuts, have a protective layer of anti-nutrients that shields them from their environment. Soaking removes these defenses, allowing us to absorb nutrients better. It's a simple trick that makes peanuts much healthier and tastier. Once activated, dry them well using a clean towel to absorb the water. Use another clean towel or a tray and let them dry for about 10 to 30 minutes. At this point, the skin is softer. The next step is to roast the raw peanuts. This allows them to cook and toast gently. You can do this on a stovetop over low heat. It takes a bit longer but gives you that toasted color. Alternatively, I'll use an air fryer, which works like a small oven, keeping the temperature low at around 140 to 145 degrees Celsius, 284 to 293 degrees Fahrenheit. Roasting the peanuts after activating them boosts their antioxidants, which fight oxidative stress in our bodies, making them even more nutritious. Move the peanuts around to ensure even roasting and avoid burning. This process takes about 30 minutes. In the air fryer, roast them for 15 minutes on one side and another 15 minutes on the other. How do you know when they're ready? The skins will fall off easily, and the peanuts will no longer have a pale color but a golden hue. Another tip is to taste one with a bit of salt. If it tastes like the roasted peanuts you usually buy, it's ready. Make sure to remove the skins since they're bitter and not ideal for the peanut butter. You can do this with a towel and your hands. While you do this, the peanuts will cool down. On this side, I have the batch from the air fryer, and here's the stovetop batch, which took a bit longer. The leftover peanut skins can be added to plant pots or soil as fertilizer. I love making peanut butter from scratch because it lets me decide whether or not to add oils or other ingredients. Store-bought peanut butters are often filled with chemicals and unnecessary oils. When you make it at home, you can ensure it's as healthy as possible. Now that the peanuts are skin-free, I'll give them one final roast to deepen their golden color. Then, it's time to process them. I'm using an immersion blender, which works well for this. If you have a regular blender, blend in intervals, pausing to prevent overheating the motor. A food processor is even easier and faster for this step. Don't worry if the blades get stuck. Use a spatula to move the peanuts around and continue blending. Be patient. It may seem like it won't turn into a paste at first, but keep going. Gradually, you'll see it transform. Remember to take breaks to protect your appliances and resume blending afterward. This is my second pause, and it's starting to look more compact. As you continue, it will become smoother. At this point, you can leave it slightly chunky if you prefer a crunchy texture or keep blending for a creamy and silky consistency. It's up to you. Now, add a pinch of salt and some panela, unrefined cane sugar, or your preferred natural sweetener. You can decide whether to make it neutral, salty, or sweet. For this peanut butter, I'm adding just a pinch of salt and panela to enhance the flavor while keeping it neutral. This way, it pairs perfectly with fruits without being overly sweet. Once it's ready, transfer your peanut butter to a clean jar. Glass is best. Tap the jar to remove air bubbles. The final product has a beautiful color and a characteristic shine. Consume it within 1 to 2 weeks, though I'm sure it won't last that long. In my house, this jar only lasted 3 days because I hadn't made it in a while, and it was truly missed. Store it refrigerated or in a cool, dark place. We won't end this video without trying it, so let's pair it with some fruit. Here, I have bananas, which go great with it. Slice them up, and I'll add some strawberries. Then, top it off with a teaspoon of our activated peanut butter. I like to sprinkle a bit of pink salt on top for an extra touch of flavor. And here's our quick, healthy, and delicious snack. It's perfect for sharing, and you can pair it with your favorite fruits or even add some cacao or dark chocolate. It's amazing. Activated peanut butter provides a lasting feeling of fullness and is incredibly satisfying. It does take some time to prepare, but the final product is natural and high quality, making it absolutely worth it. And there you have it, the most delicious activated peanut butter in the world. Homemade, no oils, no additives, just pure flavor and all the benefits of properly activated peanuts. Face-savoring delicious food sparkles. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more healthy content. And if you try this peanut butter, let me know in the comments how you use it. I'd love to hear. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Here are some videos you might enjoy.